40% of endpoint security rules are being triggered by AI coding agents, not malicious attackers. Welcome to SysLog Daily. Today we have AI coding agents setting off security alarms, NVIDIA Nemotron's open data products for AI agents, and a major right to repair settlement with John Deere. Stay tuned. AI coding agents such as Claude Code, Cursor, and OpenAI Codex are setting off detection rules written to catch human intruders. The agents are not malicious. They just do a lot of things that, to a behavioral engine, look exactly like an attack. Decrypting browser credentials, listing what sits in Windows Credential Store, pulling files down with built-in system tools, writing to the startup folder. These have long been high signal to defenders. What has changed is who is generating it. On the machines Sophos watched, it was often a developer's AI assistant going about ordinary work. The analysis draws on 7 days of telemetry from June 2026, taken from Sophos' behavioral engine on Windows and counted by unique machines, not raw event volume. Credential access was the biggest trigger at 56% of the blocked activity. The biggest credential access rule fires when a process uses Windows built-in data protection API or DPAPI to decrypt the browser's stored credential data. Developers should be aware of the potential for false positives when using AI coding agents. To avoid triggering endpoint security rules, developers can review their AI coding agents' behavior and adjust their security settings accordingly. NVIDIA Nemotron is releasing open data products for AI agents, including synthetic data, software engineering traces, and multi-step reasoning. The goal is to help developers build more robust AI agents that can recover from errors and interact with the physical world. NVIDIA has highlighted how open models are driving AI research, with nearly 145 papers citing Nemotron models and datasets. The open data products include Nemotron CC, Nemotron CC Math, and Nemotron Pretraining. Developers can use these datasets to improve the performance and safety of their AI agents. By releasing open datasets, NVIDIA is encouraging collaboration and innovation in the AI community. Developers can explore the Nemotron datasets and use them to build more advanced AI agents. John Deere owners have secured the right to repair their own equipment under a new FTC settlement. The settlement requires Deere to make its repair services available to equipment owners and independent shops. This marks the second right to repair settlement Deere has reached this year, following a separate $99 million class action settlement with farmers in April. The FTC and attorneys general from several states brought the antitrust lawsuit in January 2025, arguing that Deere had illegally restricted farmers and independent shops from repairing farm equipment. Under the order, Deere will now be required to provide repair information and diagnostic tools to owners and independent shops. This is a significant victory for the right to repair movement, which advocates for consumers and independent shops' ability to repair and maintain their own equipment. Equipment owners can now repair their own John Deere equipment, reducing reliance on authorized dealers and promoting self-sufficiency. That covers today's transmission. If any of these stories affect your systems, links are in the description. Subscribe so you never miss a patch day. See you tomorrow.